welcome to my mathematics class. Today we want to look at something else. We want to look at bearings. Okay, what are bearings? Bearings give direction in terms of an angle. Bearings give direction in terms of an angle. Okay, now, for example, if you talk of our daily lives, we use directions every day. We use directions. For example, if you want to move from one place to the other, then you have found that you don't know that place, you'll be forced to ask people for directions so that they can give you directions to the place where you want to go. Okay? For example, if you talk of the drivers, the pilots, the ship captains, they also use directions for them to navigate from one place to the other. Okay, now, when giving directions, people use some points, some things as their point of reference. For example, someone can use a tree, okay? They'll say, go in this direction, you find a tree, then after you find a tree, maybe you turn, go in this direction, meaning they have used that tree, they have used the tree as their what? Their point of reference. Okay? Some will use a building, so they use different things. Okay. Now, for example, if we talk of here, okay? Here there's town A. Let's say town A is here. Then here there's town B. Okay. Here there's town A. Here there's town B. Okay. Then here we say there's a building. Okay. Here there's a building. Here there's a building. Then here, town A, there is John. Okay, John is here. So here we have John. John wants to move from town A to town B. Okay, John wants to move from town A to town B. Now, normal circumstance, some people, they will give John directions. Okay, for example, maybe they'll tell John that first move from town A, go straight, okay? Then you find a building. Then turn to your left, then move straight. You find town B, okay? So some people, they'll give direction in that way. Now, this means that John will first move from town A to the building first, okay? Then he was told when he reaches the building, he must turn to his left. Then he'll find town B. If he moves straight, he'll find town B. So he must turn to his left. Then he continues moving. He'll find town what? Town B. Okay. Now, we can give John the same directions, but now we want to use an angle. Then we say, when you use an angle, it means you're using what? Bearings. Bearings give directions in terms of an angle. So, we want to give John directions to B, but now we want to use the angle. We'll give him direction using the angle, meaning we are using bearings. Since from our definition we said bearings give direction in terms of an angle. Okay, thank you. So, how do we do this? How do we give John the direction to move from town A to town B using an angle or using bearings? Okay, so now, the first thing that we have to know is John is at A, he wants to go to point B or to town B. Okay? So the first thing we'll do, we have to go to point A, where John is. Then we draw the compass, okay? So here where John is, we have to draw the compass. Okay? So